Northa Edit presented by Zen Sparrow. Collection में kapda blouses, long blouses with beautiful lehenga options, some set options, and to complement it all, beautiful jewelry in various kinds, glass jewelry, rings, studs, earrings, kada options, as well as something for everyone, statement pieces, and along with that, beautiful kadas, hath pochas, and also statement pieces. To check out the collection, swipe. Continuing with brand Zen Sparrow, look at their beautiful skirt options. Yes,
we
ma'am.
have this color available here. We have something in shaded.
Okay.
We have this kind of. We have something in magenta, black and yellow.
Okay.
We have blue and red. This peach.
Okay.
Yellow, white. We have this kind of brown and red. We have all the shades.
Look at that. So તમે જે કલર માંગશો એ એમની પાસે અવેલેબલ છે. Very pretty. Look at that.
બહુ જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. So we have kapdas. This kind of kapdas. We have something in shorts kapdas as well.
Okay.
See the collection we have. We have something in long kapdas. It's a pure authentic kapdas.
Lovely.
Yes, we have something in sleeveless options. See this.
Very pretty. Look at that.
See this.
So એટલું બધું collection છે.
Long.
Look at that.
Yes.
Very pretty.
Yes. We have something like this blouses.
And these are all again versatile blouses. Look at that multicolor one.
Yes.
You
We
can
have
pair it
something
with
white,
anything. Wow.
blue.
Beautiful.
It's a pure gaji in the blue color as well. We have all the colors. We have something in pink
Very
in the
pretty.
back.
Look
We
at
have most of all the colors.
Right.
Something like this.
Very pretty. This is brand Jewel Coach, and let's check out their beautiful neck pieces. Yes, ma'am.
So we have here the tribal collection over here.
Okay.
Then we have real mirror pieces which are casted. चिपकाए हुए ये नहीं हैं, so they are very durable. Just something long and with the polkis and CZ diamonds. Something in very much in trend. This is handmade silver. If you want something in doublets and stones and something which stands out with a simple chaniya choli, this is a beautiful piece.
Lovely.
Over here we have entire spread of various kinds of necklace sets.
Okay.
So we have heritage one over here, and some of them are Afghani. If you can see, we have something very beautiful with this kind of stone and Kempu stone work. We have Afghani over here as well, and this is a nice chatai work piece.
Wow.
So it's completely handmade, and something which is very much in trend these days is this dual tone with Pachi Kundan work.
This is brand Dharohar, and they have brought beautiful jewelry pieces. This one is a very pretty Hasli. They have lots of options in earrings. If you're looking for lightweight earrings, they have options for all those. इसके साथ साथ उनके पास यहाँ पे और भी बहुत सारी options हैं. I'll show you few of my favorites. Look at that. Beautiful. If you want only studs के options, they have those as well. Hanging में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो वो options भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. These are all lightweight, very pretty. Look at that. How pretty. कांसेर के साथ थोड़ा कुछ चाहिए. If you want something in stone, they have that here as well. It's all very pretty. Something like this in पूरा fusion में if you're looking for. Lovely. This is brand Inara by Devanshi, and she has brought beautiful pieces for Navratri wedding as well. As you can see, they are very beautiful statement looking cuffs. Kada na bhi bahut beautiful options છે એમની પાસે. Then they have juda options.
Any hair accessories like these જે તમે તમારા વારમાં પિન અપ કરી શકો.
Ah, lovely. And then if you want something long and statement ma, then we have something like this. Very pretty choker style ma if you're looking for. Tight chokers if you're looking for. They have beautiful options here. We also have something in
Pure brass and it has 20 to 30% silver in them. આમની પોલિશ આવીને આવી જ રહેશે લાઈફ ટાઈમ પીસીસ like these.
beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Very pretty. Continuing with Inara by Devanshi. Yes, ma'am.
લોંગમાં ઓપ્શન્સ મળી રહેશે કઈ અફઘાની ટાઈપ્સ જોઈતું હોય એવામાં બીડેડમાં જોઈતું હોય એવામાં
ઓકે
બીડ્સમાં ઓલ સ્ટોન લુક કંઈ ગમતો હોય એવું
ઓકે
કોઈ બિગ ચંકી સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પીસ ગમતો હોય તો
Look at that, very pretty. Something like पूरा जड़ाऊ style में, fusion style में if you're looking for simple long pieces if you're looking for tight chokers with danglers. Look at that. In so many variety. If you want something like this long में पूरा, if you want this layered look, this is also very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful pieces. So this entire section is Inara by Devanshi. Do check them out. Lovely. Continuing with brand Rover, look at the beautiful statement pieces that they have. उसके साथ साथ आपको बहुत सारे और भी options मिलेंगे. If you want something like this in full chunky statement piece look, they have that here as well. If you want something, you know, in stone beads work, you have options of that here as well. Look at that. You can wear these for weddings as well. Look at that. Beautiful. So long में भी options हैं मेरे पास बहुत बड़ा है. Look at this piece. Look at this one. And then I also want to show you these Juda options that they have. Then these very pretty ear cuffs, bangles, handcuffs. Look at that. And some rings as well. Continuing with Jewel Kosh. Yes, ma'am.
So over here, I want to show you some very beautiful rings.
Okay.
Which has stone rings and glass rings as well. Something like this, which I'm wearing completely like, you know,
Beautiful.
stands out.
Yeah.
Then over here, I have a lot of kadas and
Okay.
bangles with a lot of ghungroos. These are very much in trend these days. And if you like something very much traditional, then we have these kind of bangles as well, which you can pair with your silver bangles.
Lovely.
This is a little bit of Western collection. We have these kind of bracelets which are stackable, and these cuffs are very very pretty, something very very different
Alright.
for this Navratri. And then we have these earrings which is a mix, nice amalgamation of different crafts. So we have Afghani pieces like this,
Okay.
something silver replica, the stone and Pachi Kundan work, real mirror work. So this is like lot of colors.
So आपके पास आ टाइप ना पैड्स में भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
Like this. Dupatta and tissues. We have in patchwork dupattas.
Okay.
Here something in laria. There is normal Julian. We have this kind of laria. We have plain dupattas as well. We have some
Beautiful.
heavy dupatta as well.
Wow. Very
Yes.
pretty.
We have something in bandhanis.
Okay.
See the bandhanis.
Lovely.
See the bandhanis. We have something in silk.
Silk में भी options है अपनी
We have
पास.
something in heavy vintage border.
Wow.
We have something like this.
Very pretty.
We have something in black.
Beautiful. Look at
Yes.
that.
We have something in modal as well.
અને આ બધાનો છે ને પહેર્યા પછી ડ્રેપ કર્યા પછીનો લુક
Look
જ એકદમ બ્યુટીફુલ હોય છે.
Yes. We have something like this kind of mirror work.
Beautiful.